Right, so this is just a quick video of how to remove the washer jets. This is a Mitsubishi L200. So I've disconnected it from the main reservoir supply. You see the tube feeds to there. That's exactly where the washer jet is. Now all you do is you get a screwdriver or something, pop it in there, and on the top and the bottom there's clamps that open outwards, holding it in place. So you just want to apply them together. Go back in. There we go. It's out. There we go. So if we have a look there, fitted in like that. Basically these needed to be squeezed together, and then you can push it out. So you can use a screwdriver or trim removal tool, whichever you find easiest. You just need to disconnect it from the splitter. I didn't bother pulling it off from here because I thought it would be easier to put it back in. And here's our one for the other side. Now if you're replacing them, you can normally get like coloured tubing, or yeah, just coloured washer jets, or simply just give them a clean. Sometimes they get clogged up in there. And yeah, you can re-angle them. That's about it. Thanks for watching.